Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Travel Bugby. So for today's video then, we are having a travel day. So we're flying from Dublin to London and London to Orlando, Florida, and I'm really excited. It's just about 3 o'clock in the morning and I didn't sleep a wink last night. I know I'm going to be absolutely shattered by the time we get there. It's going to be a long day, but it'll be worth it. The hotel. I have no idea what time it is. I don't even know what day it is, but we're here anyway. That was a very long day. I literally got onto the bus from the airport and just crashed. So we just got a takeaway pizza and then we're just gonna go straight to bed. And I think we might be doing a park tomorrow. I think we're gonna do Universal, but we'll see what happens. So I'm too tired to talk right now. So I'll see you in the next video.